Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make files available offline in OneDrive. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, navigate to your Windows desktop and click on your Start menu to begin the process. This will give you access to all your system applications and files. Once your Start menu has opened, you'll want to open File Explorer. You can find this option directly in your Start menu, and it's essential for managing all your files and folders on your computer. File Explorer is your gateway to accessing both local and cloud-stored content. Now, in File Explorer, direct your attention to the left-hand menu where you'll see a list of locations and shortcuts. Look for the OneDrive folder and click on it. This folder contains all the files that are currently synced between your computer and your OneDrive cloud storage. It's where all your cloud documents live on your local machine. Here's where the main action happens. To make a specific file available offline, you need to select the file you want to work with. Once you've located and clicked on your desired file, right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu with several options for managing that file. From the list of options that appears in the context menu, look for and click on Always Keep on this device. This is the key feature that ensures your file remains accessible even when you don't have an internet connection. It's incredibly useful for situations where you need to work on documents during flights, in areas with poor connectivity, or simply want guaranteed access without relying on the cloud. After clicking this option, you'll notice a progress indicator appear on your Status tab. The system is now downloading and permanently storing a copy of that file on your local device. Once the process completes, you'll see a checkmark icon next to your file. This checkmark indicator confirms that the file is now always saved on your local device, meaning you can access, edit, or adjust the file anytime, even when you're completely offline. Any changes you make will automatically sync back to OneDrive once you reconnect to the internet, and that's it. You've successfully made your OneDrive files available offline, giving you the flexibility to work anywhere without worrying about internet connectivity. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.